fruit parfait. And here are all the things that we are going to be needing in making this fruit parfait. Here we have our granola. This granola is mixed up with so many fruits. We have banana here, we have coconut fleece here, we have dates here. We are only going to be making use of two fruits, which is apple and dates. So this one is apple. We are going to be using this apple to make our fruit parfait. And this is our fresh date. We're also going to be using this date to make the fruit parfait. So you can add watermelon to your parfait. You can add banana, fresh banana. You can add apple. You can add whatsoever thing that you feel like using that is fruit. You can add it to your fruit parfait. And in here, we have our yogurt. We are going to be making use of this yogurt. We are going to put our yogurt into our cup. Then we are going to add our granola into it. Then we add our apple into it. And also, we are going to add a little bit of our date into it. Then we'll go back again to repeat the same process by adding our yogurt to it. We are going to continue doing this